I'm called a sleeping fury. I'm a lowly jester, a laughing sadness, a fine supplemented headache, a bowl full of stitches, a beak full of vicious, a plunge for the new. Persist the faith of the shows, and I'm the twisted and broke of the call, the sleeping fury. Sense the pattern, sleeping fury.